Attack and talk about, yo, Frass, this, playing a levels card, afraid of one word. Like, you can't run up on one word. No lyrically nor physically.
But Sizzla, you're a Rasta man, brother. You have to hold, no man, you have to hold a vibe, man. Keep it, I want to do that.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending.
No Media Fox, you know what things said, you know. People, from where you don't know Vice Cartel and Masicka thing and you don't know about the goat thing and everything. Zine, but me I realize all of them man, them artists here. Zine, before them go find music, you know. The man them dip on the media a troll with Masicka. I try defend Cartel and them not defend them own career. So we see Frass come out and attack a one bag of thing. See? When a popcorn them use and left them, you understand? Yeah man. But people want to listen to video and hear what going.
Attack and talk about, yo, Frass, this, playing a levels card, afraid of one word. Like, you can't run up on one word. No lyrically nor physically. Tell me, I tell you, yeah, Brandon, you know one goat. And I teach her that. Any other goat, a curry goat. And some boy dead yards. I want to know. I go like say me a pay for my mouth and I can't say what I feel like say. Be a boy say what I feel like say. I want to know. Don't rampage me out. See me on my life, I look at name.
Frass, let me tell you something, brother. You see energy where you have on the media and they are chat in a mass. Go put that in your music, bro. You understand? Go find a song, dog. Try do something with your career, brother. Every day, you know what? Me even I go blame Vice Cartel, you know. Bro, who know the problem? Bro, Vice Cartel never send note with nothing if go attack no man. Uno just love the controversy. Uno love I try different man and different own career. Masicka and Cartel everything. Masicka say him a the goat or whatever, who call him goat or whatsoever. Seeing? You forward out. You want step in, you want different Cartel because you want people give you highlight, you want the Gaza fan them start big up, you want all of this. Bro, you know go find music and do some work, something productive, bro. You understand? This now carry no career go nowhere, brother. You see it? Masicka do him thing, him have him song them. See, you know find a song, brother. You understand? Bro, go put on energy in a song in the studio, fam. You see it? Because at the end of the day, dog, you know do nothing in a music, brother. You need to go on with that thing. And then the thing just drop flap there so. Because you run back a man and all of them little thing there too much. You see it? Cause remember say, you usually they run not nice them. You usually they run popcorn them. Them drop a you not nice fall out. You do your thing after you left running man them your thing flap. You can't find back no song again, brother. Before that you no focus on the day out here, I do cheerleading for different Cartel. Me know Cartel no send no out, you know. Vice Cartel never send no out. You understand? Because Vice Cartel and Masicka in a something. Uno jump in. See? I try different, I try, yo, goat, rare, this, that. Yo, a Cartel I goat. Cartel never call no out for defending, brother. Uno just love pick up certain things because you don't want to get a little highlight. And that's how you think work, brother. Go find song, bro. Go find song. When last you get a hit song, brother? You understand? The whole I know with the Masicka thing. Yo, man call goat. The man call himself goat. The man Cartel have something. Zine, uno ready jump up. Yo, some man a curry goat and rare. Yo, I want Cartel. Yo, this, yo, brand. Bro, go sit down there. Go find song, brother. You understand? No for no one easy run in a dancehall. At that we don't know, dog. You see it? Before you go find song, no one do controversy clash. If you try to get back a buzz in a dancehall, nah, get that, brother. You see it? Go find song, dog, and go sit down. You love put strength in a man and defend man rather than go find song and defend on yourself, bro. Put the energy in a career, dog, in a music. Then put it in our next man where we done our PF we and all of them something there, brother. Cartel soon reach 50. The man do him for doing a dancehall already. It's just that him just get a little free time for do him for do before back then. You understand? Him so go one side and just easy. You understand? With grace. You see it? Uno now, uno supposed to focus on the music. You think every day now get up and cartel or they wanna defend. Or uno have a strength for defend artists, but don't have a strength for defend their own career and find its song. Uno get up and every day mass up the media and chat one bag of thing. You know, in a sense, dog. Fine song, man. You understand? But people, me see a next thing, you know. You have to make us see what I want. See? So Black Ryhno him. See? That's how I tell you how dancehall thing set, you know. The man have strength for different man thing, you know. See, as an artist, remember, you know, they may no fan or anything, you know. See? But them man can't put them career in a them own hand and steer it. You understand? So, look what this man write. The man say, yo, go easy. Goatee. The king still on throne. Look like a yo. What? Look like a inner the man lap you want go sit down to you don't know, Clout. I think he must say, yo, Pussycat or something like so. Wait your turn. No bad man. So look at now, people. This a man here Black Ryhno. Because we see Fan Cartel come a road, you know. Him start flare up like them cheerleader they were on cheer inside. A cheer Cartel for the road this thing. Him start at this Masicka now, you know. See him, I must say what? Fan Cartel gone to prison, he don't find one hit. He don't find a song. And him there cost Masicka. You understand? Because at the end of the day, a night, is what I try to say. So him forward out, I try this Masicka. Out of the blue, this man I go say. Like he must say one Masicka. Like if I sit down, Masicka want sit down in a cartel. Like, bro, why if that, bro? Brother, how them thoughts are falling on the head, brother? How lap drop in and all of them look at something there, dog. What I'm here right now? Bro, every day you fall upon the media, bro. I try show shots off a Masicka, brother. And your career not in a way. Your career not in a way, brother. You understand? Look why you and Cartel go through. You and Cartel never good. So as Cartel come a road now, you a tip up, yo. One here, one goat, where? Bro, Cartel they are prison for much years. Zine, you should have not there and do a thing. You should have in a top 5 artists right now too. Cause you're a bad artist. But you know dash on a career for man, bro. You understand? You the out here defend Cartel thing before you defend your career too, brother. Remember say you never in a meet and nobody no member about you. The whole I no get up. And the pa Masicka name I try this Masicka about goat and every little thing. When Masicka did their own Cartel where there, I wanna see you wanna big him up. So how now everybody I try get a little clout and all of them little something there, bro. Sure say on a week, dog. On a week. You understand? Because at the end of the day, bro, you're supposed to put in the work and certain little things. You see me? So you the right here, so bro, you on the social media, you posting on the social media, bro. Like, bro, you don't have studio to go. You don't have studio time. The time you not type on the media and all of them something. Why not type in some hit song? Type in some hit song, dog. You know, look good, brother. Every day you get up a different cartel. Cartel now tell no to do all of these things upon media. I try to throw shots off a man, bro. You know see what Cartel I do? Cartel I sing him song them. Zine Cartel I focus on him show them and before uno focus on shows and song, uno they are different Cartel and a park up on the career. Uno no sense, brother. You understand? A time for you go sit down now, Black Ryhno, bro. Go find some music, dog. Every day they on the media, chat, they on live, at Masicka and this and that, bro. Masicka way better than uno have a better career than uno right now, brother. You understand? Uno there watch Masicka thing. Watch for no career, bro. But people, we say that one you forward out, you know. Zine? Yeah, man, that one a cartel cheerleader this, you know. Zine? Cartel cheerleader this. So basically, Wagwan people, Sizzla them have a 30 anniversary show. Zine, and you have this lady. You know, she dressed like a, you see me, like a tomboyish thing. This lady, she forward on every news, government things in. Yeah, man. And she's like a sign language for the deaf people. Yeah. She does sign language. Years she do it. See? So basically, I think maybe Sizzla people or whatever book her to do the sign language thing on the stage and every little thing. So now, you don't know Kevin him now forward out. A cuss the man. Zine? A cuss Sizzla and I say, yo, Sizzla, yo, what kind of Rasta thing this? But people want to know listen what I say. Zine?
Me I go tell you now again, you know. Anybody go road foot a hype. Anybody go road foot a hype get X. Anybody. Just as simple. Just say I and buy or shake a hand. Sizzla Kolonji. And foot a hype kick off on the internet. Then who we come see with Sizzla Kolonji. In our one party. No foot a hype. And Sizzla say we're going to put them something behind. Sizzla. Me not read that something there, bro. Me don't know what them tell you. But Sizzla, you're a Rasta man, brother. You have to hold. No, man, you have to hold a vibe, man. Keep it on, do that. Keep it on, do that, my brother. How was Sizzla? How was Sizzla? How was Sizzla? Sizzla, you's a Rasta man with all our respect, brother. All our respect the Rasta youth, yeah. But Sizzla, they on stage with that. You know me, I say? I don't know our thing that, brother. I don't know our thing that. We can't get back Jamaica to the roots.
People, may I tell you, you know, you see them money, I tell you them bias, you know. Just because a woman get booked for a show, I do her job, seeing sign language, seeing them don't know the personal lifestyle whatsoever, you know. Seeing them as a so-called the woman, the lady where they on the stage are lesbian, seeing. But remember, you know, this same one Kevin from him young, you know, he might watch this same woman do sign language on TV. Them time that she never really ran, you know. Zine, to him she never was nobody, then she never was whatever them say she be. Zine? Now, true she up on the stage and say, bro, I tell you about them money, you know. You see, this is the thing, you know. When I realize that when them favorite people them and the same like a situation, them not call them out, you know. Zine, them no. Remember the time Cartel in England and the man walk up to Cartel and ask him and Cartel say, yeah, him see it. Me don't see him come out, you know, and say anything about it, you know. But through a Sizzla them now, Zine, he might call out everybody, whosoever, whatever them type of people they followed around them or whatsoever. But when the people were immerate, when them the people they followed around them, yeah man, him not say nothing. You see it. But we know how them people are stay. One Kevin, you see it. Him always a forward out. Remember, you know, this was the man where crash off a bike, you know. Me think saying would have changed. But him a forward come do the same thing, brother. You see it. The lady a do her job. Yeah, she in her shorts and she in her top and her hair low. Zine, and everybody you know see, bro, means that the person them are that type of person, brother. She a do her job on the stage. Zine, on the stage she a do her job. A sign language she do for years. You see it? But because of no mentality, bro, we have tried bring down the man show about, yo man, bring on them type of people, LGBT. You understand? Bro, it's a job. She get paid for the same Sizzla them do that, bro. You understand? Sizzla them know every whole Jamaica know the girl. If once you watch TV or Jamaica news or anything, she always did it. I do sign language and I want to look a square box at the right corner or something. You understand? Everybody know this person, bro. That lady, she never no drama. She never had us TV we know her pan. You understand? But bro, I tell you about them money, brother. I tell you, can't rate them money, dog. You see it? Can't rate them money, brother. Them money just fall upon the media, say something and just fall for just come say something about some man thing, bro, and don't understand the situation. You see me? But people, I don't know any media facts, you know. Bless up for your support, you know. Man, like, share, and subscribe. You know what I think, said. That is it.